Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am going to be doing my hair, finally retwisting it for the first time. Actually, I have retwisted it before, but it was not good. Quick update, I am starting to see budding. You can see I am starting to get budding on most of my locks. If you can see, most of them look pregnant. I'm excited for this journey. I'm wearing black so you can't see it, but it's right where my finger is. We'll see how it goes. I am going to be using some kind of butters, and I'm going to be using my mom's shampoo and conditioner that she has made specifically for me. But the butter I will be using is the Jamaican black castor oil Shea Moisture Lock and Braid Butter. Done this on my brother's hair and it seemed fine, so I'm gonna try it on my hair. The hardest thing that I will be doing for retwisting my hair is most likely just seeing the back. So I'm most likely gonna have to see a mirror. I'm most likely going to have a mirror in front of me and behind me so I know which twist I am twisting. I also noticed that my hair in the back, I have one still twisted, but my hair texture in the back is looser than up front. My front is kinkier, and I'm here for all of it. So hopefully this video gets out eventually, just like my other videos. I've just been so busy with school. Speaking of, I'm going to be doing a life update again, but this is the lock update for like 2.5 months. So by the time you see this video, my first video is already uploaded. This will be the second one added to this will be the second video. This will be the next video after the video I post that you should have already seen before. If you want to know what my mom's hair products are, they are Azera Essentials. This is one of the little labels, Azera Essentials. She has hair butters, she has body butters, she has oils, she has face scrubs, face masks, but she has created some shampoo. I labeled it shampoo because I didn't know the difference. So this is shampoo. She makes it with African black soap and some other things. I think the conditioner has peppermint oil in it. And we'll get started, okay? So I'm going to be using Shea Moisture Jamaican black castor oil, lock and braid butter. I'm not going to put much on it, but I am going to make sure that it is dissolved when I rub it in. I am going to be using an oil mixture. These are a bunch of oils, and it's now low now, but it's water, peppermint oil, almond oil, tea tree. There's something else. There's some more oils. I forgot. It'll come back to my mind. And I'm using a rat tail comb, and I'm going to be using all my variety of clips. Okay, so I've been binging Penny Proud, Proud Family show, but my hair is finished, and it doesn't look like much because you can like barely see like the twist because they're kind of like all over. But the only products I used was my oil mixture. I still don't remember all the oils that were in here. I just used that, and I used my lock and braid butter. That was it, and clips. And I used some bobby pins because I ran out of clips. But yeah, this is how it looks. Stay tuned for more lock updates because I've been slacking, but I'm gonna do better. I should be uploading another video around my 4 months locked, which should be in March. Hey, welcome back. So today is the next day of taking out my locks because I retwisted them last night. I kept it tied down the whole time. So we're going to see how it looks. How would I rate my retwisting my lock process? Probably a 7, mainly because I kept trying to attach them so they could be long, and then I was attaching other locks to that, like certain pin, and so I don't think my length looks how it's supposed to look if I were to go to a salon. So on that note, let's go ahead and get started. I feel like it's like an unboxing video to see the reveal. Okay, so before y'all look, don't judge me. This is my second attempt at retwisting my hair. The first attempt was when I had my 2-strand twist locks. And there's a reason why I didn't upload that video because it wasn't good. But I think that looking at more videos and educating myself on YouTube University, I feel like I kind of have a better understanding of doing my locks. So we gonna see together. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Do you see? I look bald, but this is how they look. You can see the length some, but I guess I'm just gonna start taking them out from the back. As you can see, they look all types of jumbled in here because I told you I kept putting these clips like from the top to the bottom. So my length might look a bit whack. Not my length, but like how they lay. They look like they have some length. Wow. Looky there. Oh, I have one more. I feel it. I get the feeling. Yes, last bobby pin. Yo, that's like a hack. If you don't have lock clips, you should try bobby pins. If you just don't have them. So try bobby pins because I have a bunch. And I figured it worked just as fine as, you know. Well, I use my bobby pins towards the end of doing my hair. But this is how they look. Like I said, I told you they're starting to bud. I didn't put any gel on my hair because I don't want any kind of products like that but I did use that butter. Well, I love the smell of this butter so much, and I think I'm going to be using this as my staple whenever I retwist my hair. It is vegan. Wait, is it? Yeah, it is vegan. It's cruelty free. I don't think there's any honey in here. No, I don't see any. But yeah, it's made with no animal products. It's cruelty free. It's certified organic, and it's by Shea Moisture. And like I said, I use that. I use a mixture of my oil water, and then I use a rat tail comb. Now I do use, I keep going out of the frame because my things are here. I do use rose water sometimes, and I spritz it on my hair, but as you can see, like, I have like a tablespoon left. So I'm actually going to be making my own rose water as of now on. I'm going to be making my rose water. And I do want to show you some of the updated products that I use for my hair. This Schwarzkopf pomade, pomade, and it's black seed oil and coconut oil. And you know me, I always got my black seed oil on me. This is really good. I don't like using gel, and I don't know if this is a gel or not, but whenever I put it in my hair, it definitely holds. I don't like using Eco Styler. I don't like using, there's like this Cantu pomade, something like that, but I don't be using anything like that. So I just use this, and I'll spray my hair with water. Sometimes I will use the different, I was about to say different flavors, the different scents, like the different ingredient ones. So this one's coconut oil. There's another one that is argan or argan oil, however you pronounce it. That's that. Yeah, this is how they look. You know, I had to give it to myself because I honestly didn't think that my hair is gonna look this nice. Now, mention you, I don't know what it looks like in the back, so I'm going to. Oh my gosh, it doesn't look that bad. Does it look a bit crazy? Probably. But my length is like down to here. But I sleep really wild, so I'm not surprised that it's curled up. But this is how they look. So I can give you like a good view. I need to use my other mirror. This is how they are retwisted. I'm going to be doing a video about counting my locks soon. So comment below and see how many locks you think I have. But this, I am in the budding process, and they look really nice. They look really full. Like I really wasn't expecting the full part. Also, I got my loctician. When I first got my locks done, I asked her if I could have a side part, and a middle part, but I really like the side part because it really frames my face, especially the left side of my face. I feel like it looks really nice, especially when I have my protective styles. I have my faux locks in. I will always have it flipped to the right, and I always thought that looks really nice. It really frames my face. So I did that as well. Yeah, so you can see how, you can see all the individuals finally. And my bangs, like my bangs are here when I first started, I think. And look at that. Isn't that cool? My hair grows really fast in months, and I'm so excited for the rest of this journey. I am 2.5 months long. Oh, I'm just so excited. I guess I can show you this way how long they are. golly, they have grown so much. And do I have a hack of how I grow my hair so long? Stay tuned. No, I definitely experiment with a lot of oils, especially with the oils that my mom makes. She didn't make the oil. She combines the oils to make it, to like make your hair grow. So she makes a moisturizing oil, she makes a sealing oil. So that is what I'm going to do now. It used to have an M on here, but it's no longer there. So what I'm just gonna do is, I could put it in my hands, but I'm just gonna put a little bit in. I don't need too much. And I'm just going to go throughout my scalp and get the back. I feel like I have length. Oh my gosh. And here's the middle part, so you can see that. It's I guess you could say curly. I didn't mean for it to be curly, but we here now. And then with my sealing oil, I actually have a tag for this. I'm just gonna put a little bit in my hands. And I really think that this is the hack for me growing my hair so fast. Those certain oils. I don't oil my hair every day. I know some people say oil your hair once a week, and to be honest, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna oil it about 2 to 3 times a week. But first, I start off with the spray. So usually I'll spray my hair with the water oil mixture. And these are like essential oils that are in here. So it's like peppermint, tea tree, to make sure like my scalp doesn't get too itchy. And then, or I either use this or I will do the leave-in conditioner spray, and then I will follow up with the oils. So that's all I do for my hair. Mention you, I do have 4C hair, so I've been told that 4C hair locks up faster. So the budding process happened really quick for me because I'm not even at the 3-month stage. But as you can see, there are so many locks that are budding in different places, and they feel really thick. Like if you can see these right here. This is not a good angle. But if you can see, like, you see how I'm playing the guitar, how they like look pregnant. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Alright, lovely people, if you really enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you think about this video and what other kind of videos I should upload. Also, hit the subscribe button if you want to be a part of the JashalynnStar family, and hit the notification button or notification bell if you want to be a part of the notification gang. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I need to stop saying so, because that's like my filler word, and like as well. I'm working on so and like. With that being said, JashalynnStar is signing out. Bye.